Hi, my name is Rachel.
And my name is Vincent.
We will be presenting our hackathon project called Otters. Before we dive into our idea, let's talk about the problems we aim to solve. As someone who volunteers at the hospital, I've experienced firsthand how staff are overwhelmed with patients and cannot take the time to thoroughly answer questions and concerns. In other words, as the amount of patients continues to increase, the healthcare staff cannot keep the same level of care. In a similar manner, patients have a difficult time contacting their doctors after their appointments and therefore are unable to address their concerns that arise after seeing their physicians. We wanted a way to address all these issues and created an app called Otters to do so. Otters is a group chat messaging app that improves patient care and access to knowledge by connecting patients with otters struggling with the same medical condition.
We'll be walking you through the experience of being a patient on the Otters app, and we're going to be the phone all the way to the left. Once we're in the app, we are given a randomly generated unique username to use. In this case, we are Strawberry Otter 22. Once we get started, we are prompted to use a QR scanner where we scan the QR code our doctor had given us. Then, this join page for the group chat will pop up, displaying the number of members in the chat and a join button. Once in the chat, we are now able to send and receive chat messages in real time. In this demo, I'm going to send in a question, and the text can be seen by the other users, which in our case are the phone simulators, to the right of us. Other users can respond to our text and answer our questions. And finally, we can click on the heart icon on the top right, which takes us to a special tab called Doctor Notes that's filled with information written by doctors. We decided to develop a mobile app using Swift because we believe mobile apps are the future. Phones are becoming more and more accessible while also being super convenient to use for messaging.
We use Microsoft Azure Communication Service to provide our app the ability to have real-time text communication between users. Also, Azure services meet privacy standards of HIPAA, which is a crucial part of the healthcare system. Our users can feel safe knowing their messages are private, encrypted, and secure. In order to bring the level of patient care higher, the care has to resume outside of the hospital or clinic setting. With this app, patient care can be given to the patient in the comfort of their own home. An important component of patient care is the patient's mental health. Having others to talk to lets the patient know they are not alone in the situation, and that sense of comfort is at the core of patient care.
While the app improves patient care, it can also allow patients to access knowledge of doctors around the nation indirectly. How does that work? Well, this national app allows doctors to invite patients to group chats for their own specific disease. Patients in the group chat are welcome to share knowledge that their doctors have told them. Sometimes this knowledge might not have been mentioned by other patients' doctors. Hence, the group chats become a team effort with every patient contributing slightly to the knowledge of the disease.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about our project, and have a nice day.